Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Horlicks pudding. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of Horlicks powder, 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt. These simple items are the foundation for a delightful, creamy dessert that's surprisingly easy to prepare. Get ready to create a comforting treat. Now let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine the Horlicks powder, cornstarch, sugar, and salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly. Next, slowly pour in the 2 cups of milk, whisking continuously to ensure there are no lumps. This creates a smooth, consistent base. Place the saucepan over medium heat and stir constantly. Keep stirring until the mixture begins to thicken to your desired pudding consistency. Once your pudding has reached a nice, thick consistency, remove it from the heat immediately. This is the perfect moment to stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which adds a lovely aromatic finish. Give it a good mix to ensure the vanilla is evenly distributed throughout. Carefully pour the warm pudding into your chosen serving dishes or a larger bowl. Then, cover it and place it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 2 hours, allowing it to set perfectly. Your delicious Horlicks pudding is now ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled, either plain for classic taste or with your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a sprinkle of chopped nuts can elevate this simple dessert. It's a comforting and satisfying treat for any time of day. Before you go, remember to check the description below for the link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy eating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.